As we are at the end of the basic course, I have a few closing remarks to make. So, first remark, this was only the basic course. There will follow 3 other courses on this channel, a little bit more advanced. So the basic course was only like the fundamental course, so please stay with me on this channel for the other courses. There were also a few other functions, a few other formulas which were thematically should be addressed in those formulas. With those formulas we've learned so far. So 3 arithmetic functions, 1 statistics/counting function, and also 4 logical formulas. I've left these formulas out because they aren't as important as the other formulas, but you see here the expression sign for the switch function. I can highly recommend to learn this function. Also, there will be 2 additional exercises on this channel. I will also link both exercises in the video description, and the 2 following videos will be a solution for those exercises. So if you want to have a try, please take a look in the video description. So far, thank you for your attention. Please stay with me on this course, comment if you have any questions, and I hope to see you in the advanced course that will follow. Thank you. Bye.